Today we'll talk about how I create this dot map animation when you can select the continent, and you have very cool zoom in zoom out animation when you select the country, and with the metal we highlight the country map. I will talk about each step, but this will sound easy but it's not at all, because behind each step I try so many times to get it right, the zoom animation or how I get the country map right. I think the prompt doesn't matter anymore. The most important thing is the context and the way you think to fix this problem. This is why in this video I will not show you the prompts, but I will just talk about the process and how I fix these problems. To start build this dot map, I need some image reference, so the best place is Pinterest. I download some of this reference. The prompt was very simple. I want something very similar to this reference, and the result was good, but I have one problem. The map wasn't good enough. It doesn't feel right, like some of the map is not right. So I just give a cloud another image for the earth map and tell him to think about each detail so to get it right. The result was good, and I get this one. We like zoom in. It was very good. Also the map is nice, and then from there I asked him to create another 10 earth styles. I take just the top 3. I really like this animation, and this one. This was very cool animation, and this will be very nice for background animation, but for me wasn't enough. And I start thinking about how to take it to the next level and make it more interactive. So this is when I post this video. I was thinking, how can I take this animation to the next level? So I thought maybe this will be for sign in screen. The user choose the country and add the number. Let me show you what will happen when you choose the country. Right now only Germany, but when you click on it, click on it again and continue the animation. For the first time was good when he likes rotate the earth and then zoom into the country, but there is one problem. For example here, the Germany map wasn't good. It's not the real Germany map. I need more details to see exactly how the Germany map look like. I tried so many times to fix this problem, but each time I get like worse result. After a few hours, I start think, what if I can transform these big circles and multiply it to small circles to shape the country map? This is what I told Claude. The idea is to transform this big circle to small circles when we zoom in. And he didn't do this exactly, but here comes the context. I told him the problem, what it is. I told him like the problem is not highlighting the country. I want to see the real country map, and I tell him how I think about to fix this problem. Okay, I want to transform this big circle to small circles, but Cloud fixed it with a completely different solution. And he fixed it because the context, and because I already share what I think and how I think to fix this problem. So he mixed these two together and come out with something new. And what he did was amazing. Let me show you what is the steps. First, he will like spin to the right position for the country, and then there is a black space will be above the big circles. It will be just like exactly the same map, but just a black, and then the small circles come out. And this animation was with metal shader. So later when he created this effect, I told him like, yeah, what if we can add some metal shader animation, some cool effect to show up the map country. If you go to the next country, it's very cool animation, but if you go like to more small countries, he will like zoom in more. And this is where I spend most of the time, is big or small country. And what if the countries is very close to each other? So we, for example, China to Egypt is very far from each other, so he will zoom out and then zoom in to Egypt. But if, for example, if we go to Sweden and the France is close, he will not zoom out and then zoom in again because it's very close. And I think to Italy also the same because it's close. Yeah, for me this small details the most important thing, because it just gives you the feeling, okay, this something is like complete, and the developer already have think about each case. The user will never think about this, but he will like give him like the premium feeling. It's just very cool effect. And now if we go to Germany, you see like the map is perfect. And later, like I can't just add all the countries and then the user can keep scrolling to find the country. And I don't want to add wheel picker to choose the country because I don't want anything to take space from the screen. So where and here when I thought about the continents, like you can choose the continents. Also you have very cool animation, it just highlighted, and then here you have all the countries.